Hey guys, AG here, and today we are playing a newly discovered Roblox game based off of the anime One Punch Man. This game is called Garo Sliding Simulator. My bad, I forgot. And basically, I'll put a clip up here. If you don't know what I'm talking about, let's just say some bad stuff happened with the One Punch Man season 3 animation department, and yeah, it was pretty bad. Arshot here, would you like to explain? You know, you're a
Basically, just
veteran.
think of the Mega Man meme like the no bleep, but instead of like beep, maybe like no frames.
Oh yeah, the no okay, yeah. So basically though, it was bad. Many veteran One Punch Man fans like Arshad here were traumatized by how bad the quality was, and we all had to wait 6 years for that. 6 years for something like that, bro. That's insane.
Wait,
And
wait, six, you say?
six. Alright, so anyway, here's how it's gonna work. So Arshad actually was playing this game longer than me. I just got into it we're gonna be racing. Try to see who can get to the farthest in Garo Slide Simulator. So without further ado, bro, let's get into it. Oh, so you wanna be that? You wanna be that? Alright, bet.
You're too broke. You don't have enough points, brokey. Wait, why
Ah!
do I have to?
Alright, whatever. Ready? Wait, hold on.
Wait, we're gonna public server?
I
Public
guess
server
a
might be
quick
more
race and then I
chaotic.
guess a quick race and then the public server will actually lock in. Ready?
Three. Are you recording?
Yeah.
I could count them.
3, 2, 1, go! Oh yeah, so here's how this game works. Once you cross that, how are you moving faster?
Wait, it might because of
Ah!
wait. Does it give you more speed if you're like Garo? No idea.
Yo, or it's probably because I was turning a little bit. Actually, I don't even know.
This is 2 frames.
You know what? We're just gonna be
But
doing like Saitama. We're just gonna be doing like whoever dies first. Oh, we can aim with the. Actually, you could have told me that. I didn't know you could aim with the mouse. I was just using my camera.
wait, I told you that earlier.
No, you didn't.
I did. Whoa. Well, how close are you to me?
I'm pretty far away. You know the tree just passed.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just passed it right now.
What about this Saitama?
Just passed it right now.
Dang, you're slow.
Bro, you're a hacker.
Yeah. Wait, how much speed do you have on top, bottom left?
94.
90, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4,
Hold on, I'm catching up. I'm catching
5,
up.
6,
I'm at 100.
7.
I'm at 106.
I must not wait. I actually, I'm probably more close than you are. But you can just follow my trail. But I have to like do the hard. No.
Haha. I just need to follow the arch trail. And I could try making straighter turns so that way I could catch up. Oh, I'm smart. Oh yeah, you're doing all that turning and stuff. I'll have to just follow the trail and just make less turns.
Yeah, I know. I tried to give up.
Dang, you suck.
No,
I just
no.
passed you. Haha.
What's your speed? What's your speed?
Okay, I'll probably like mute this part, but bro, that can make a good short right there. Cause you were screaming. Oh, that's perfect. All right, guys. So
Maybe.
all right, guys. So still going. You know, we're at 3 sliding points. Oh my goodness, get going! Dang. All right, guys. Now that you've seen that racing stuff, what can I buy here? Actually, you bought the Genosmorph. You're weird.
Hey, I got Genos and Nora.
All right. So anyway, guys. Now that we're doing, hold up. Okay, so guys, here's the challenge for now though. My bad for being so silent. Our goal is to get the #1 speed. We're probably not gonna get the global record max points because that's just physically impossible. I mean, these guys are probably hacking or something. But we could definitely try to get that max speed thing. I think that could be attainable. Uh, so we're gonna find out. When our shot's done, we'll just hop to the public server. So you know. I guess for now, I'll just also go down. Maybe you could see. Yeah, our shot was gone a long time ago.
Hey, you can spectate me.
Oh, I can spectate you?
Yeah, to the right side.
Bet,
Under
bet,
Garo.
bet, bet. Alright, spectating Arshad. Alright, so Arshad, the spectating thing doesn't even work.
It doesn't? Wait, can you wait? You can't?
It just locks my camera into place. Yeah, I have no idea. Oh, whatever. Let's get going. Wait, can I still? What the? Oh, recipes, Arshad.
I'm alive!
Oh, dang. Oh man.
Hey, I heard that.
So anyway, yeah, it's gonna be the goal for this video. Try to get onto the leaderboard in any way, shape, or form. Hopefully at the top, but if not, then at least just be featured on the leaderboard. So yeah, guys. I'll cut to the part where we're in the public server and we're getting ready. Alright, guys, we're in here in the public server. We are going to begin the race to get to the top of the leaderboard. Arshad, we'd like to do the honors.
Oh, I'm gonna become Janus real quick.
Wait. Now.
Oh, wait, let's make it first.
Oh, I don't have the face. Oh wait, you don't have the face yet. Okay, never mind. I thought we were gonna come.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. I'm cooked. You know, pass me. I dare you. Pass me. Yes. Wait, you. Oh, we're gonna start turning. I see. Now time to follow your poop now. Wait, we should. Wait, there's no dirt on the grass though, so shouldn't this?
Arshad, you're getting triple pooped on.
Wow. No, I made a big turn.
You're not the one slide man. I am.
No, you're just 2 slide men. There's like more than 1 frame, I think. I'll try jumping. It's so weird.
I don't trust you.
No. Like, if you look behind you, I'm literally jumping. Wait, am I catching up? Am I catching up because of the jumping? Wait, I'm actually catching up. I think.
I need a jump. Wait, I'm going faster. Okay, new method to get to the top. Bro, the bad thing is though is that it shakes your camera so much.
Come on!
Crap, I'm making too many big turns.
Just come on, what did I tell you, bro?
Well, guys, you know, your boy AG always being the competition. Crap, I just made.
No, I survived that! I didn't see it!
You died?
Yeah.
Well, guys, our goal, though, we need to get to the top of the leaderboard. And right now it's at 200 or something. I'm at 150. Oh!
385.
Is that dude turning, bro? What? That guy's literally turning in front of me, bro.
I'm pretty sure there's emotes, so that might be because of that.
Soitama! No! We won't be deterred. We shall make it! Alright, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, shot, bro. It's not that deep. Oh, wait! You actually do move faster by jumping! Hey, slow and steady wins the race. Slow and steady wins the race. Slow and steady wins the race.
The boys, the sliding foot thing in my way.
What the freak? No! My throat hurts.
Oh, that's bad.
What
Wait,
the?
this guy hacking!
There's a hack.
Is he hacking?
There's that emo.
Wait, is he hacking or just? It could be an emo.
I literally thought that was like some dude transforming into a helicopter or something.
He's achieving flight. He's evolving from sliding to flight. Oh, these monkeys in my way. They do not know true ego.
I love how you and me are just like consistently keeping up with each other. Oh, you're following the trail, I see. Okay. Oh, that dude just died. Wait, I'm catching up. Yeah!
No, where are you? you die?
No, I almost did. I'm still alive. I'm gonna stop jumping now. Jumping is just. How are you doing? Oh wait, cause you're jumping. I'm not gonna jump though. I play it safe. Oh. Yeah. We can make 2 shorts out of that. Alright guys, we died but we won't be deterred. Okay, I'm making so many jumps.
Wait, why don't we restart?
How is that dude walking? Not alright. How is that dude walking? It's
Bye.
sliding, not walking.
Bye.
That dude is so nonchalant, bro.
But isn't sliding just 1 frame more nonchalant though?
I have no idea.
I think walking probably like our Game Pass. Makes sense.
Bro,
Why is this game actually good though?
I have no idea.
This might be better than TSP, not gonna lie. The best One Punch Man game. The best One Punch Man game.
Dang, you suck.
How far do you make it?
I'm still going. I'm at almost 200 speed.
Come on, keep on going.
Well, I can actually make it.
The top leaderboards are 419. Come on.
219. Hey. Tell him to bring me my money, cause your boy AG 206 still going. 208, 210. Oh, 215. Oh, 219, 220. I did it.
You need 419, my guy. 200 more.
What?
419.
Oh, I slid off the map and now I'm going 0 speed. Like I slid off the map, but then I managed to come back and it made me stop walking. So now I'm just, and it made me stop sliding. So now I'm walking.